Guys, opening up laptop chargers or wall warts is such a tedious task because there are absolutely no screws and even the brute force does not work. So well, how to open these laptop chargers? We are going to talk about it in this video, and we are going to use a very unique method using this kind of syringe and this magic potion which we are also going to discuss in this today's video. So let's quickly begin the opening process of these laptop adapters. We'll need a glove for safety plus this syringe. And let me arrange all of this stuff by the time you guys hit that like and subscribe button down below. And let's begin this video. Alright guys, so the gloves are on and here is how the setup looks. So the charger is lying on the table and I have this magic potion in this syringe, and we are going to simply apply this magic potion or this liquid into this seam over here, and the quantity which we need is very less. So let's start applying like so. Oh, that was a bit too much. Actually guys, we need to use the minimum possible quantity, not like me which I squeezed it a bit too much and a lot of it squirted out. We need a small quantity just inside these gaps. So let me apply that, and now it will take some time for this magic potion or this medicine to take effect. So by that time, let's talk about what this medicine actually is. Well guys, this is not any kind of medicine, but this is nothing but regular petrol. Surprising, isn't it? Yeah, this is the regular petrol, or you can say the gasoline which you buy at the pump. The same thing which goes inside your cars and your scooters and make them work. So that is it, as simple as that. And I've just used this little syringe to make the application a little bit easier. Now with that done and said, let's see if this mobile charger or this laptop charger will come apart just like that. And we just need to grab it with the hands and apply a bit of force. And here it goes. So here is how it very easily splits into two halves. And if there are little portions of this device where the glue is still present, then you can go for a second dose. Yay, just like we have a second shot of vaccine, just like that. So we take a little bit more quantity using the syringe, apply the petrol again on the seam, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and it should come apart really easy this time around. And here, as we can see, that very easily the two halves of this laptop charger have separated, and without using any kind of tools, without using any kind of force, without risking any kind of the application with power tools, we have successfully opened this laptop charger, and the stuff looks something like this on an inside. And if you guys want me to explain how to actually repair these laptop chargers, do let me know in comment section below. And by that time guys, if you like to see what is inside videos like this, well, there's a whole playlist waiting for you in the description below. So go ahead and check it out. So that was it for this neat little video guys. Take care and have a nice day.